Okay, so let's begin. Our aim today is to create synthetic data. So synthetic data is the data that we'll actually be using for like our experiments and our trainings. So let's go ahead. We've opened our Jupyter notebook. So import numpy as np. So we'll be doing this in numpy. Um, so yeah. Okay, so this is we have imported our library numpy. So let's make a pound sign and define our data set creation. So this is to be for product, and then let's define and say raw data. Let's say is equal to open a curly bracket, and then we'll define all of the stuff that's going to be there. We are saying these going to be products. Of course, I think products should be in quotes as well. And then let's open our square bracket. So this is going to be sort of like a list of the products. So you open the list, and then products would be mouse pads. So this is going to be like a tech data, maybe it's the online store, e-commerce. And what else do you sell with the mouse? Maybe the mouse pads and mouse BT for Bluetooth. And let's add. Let's also add keyboard BT. And what else? I think it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say headsets. Headset BT. And then we'll close our square brackets. Then we'll define again the other stuff. Yeah, so essentially, let me show you how my data is going to look like. So this is how my data is going to be looking like. It's got product, mouse pads, like that. So it's going to be four products, and then these are going to be just numbers randomly, units sold, and then we see if we can recreate that, and I can make a big file that I can use for some analysis and stuff like that. Because I know a lot of people are struggling to get sort of like data for their own stuff. I think right now the goodness of it that is that you can create your own synthetic data. Okay, let's continue then. Um, so yeah, I think so. We have second one would be update the product. Would be so we have the list, which is going to be the headers, and then after that we have unit cost. COS. So that's going to be in rands. That unit cost. Of course, this is always going to have that. Then I'll do these random values. So let's say mouse pads. Mouse pads are costing like 100 rands. The mouse Bluetooth costing 250 rands. Bluetooth keyboard, let's say costing 300 rands. Headsets, it costs 400 rands. and then I should be closing by, yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so then I'm going to copy that, not copy, cell. Yeah, copying that. Uh, Obviously, this is going to be an item of its own. Here, we're definitely going to be saying, uh, let's say, fixed cost. Let's go, yes. Yeah. Then, cause our fixed costs, let's say 6 rand. So these are really random values. 8.5 rands, 10 rands. Then this is like 20 rands. Yeah. Then let's do another one. It's gonna be variable costs. Costs. Variable costs. I mean, of course, this is the template that I'm looking to actually do. So it's just random numbers that I'm taking over my head. Okay, let's continue. So variable costs. So this would be variable costs. Costs. Variable costs like suppliers, what. Let's say for this case, this would be 50 rands. Okay, that's 20 rands. Let's say 30 rands. Let's say 40 rands. And let's say 50 rands. Yeah. Then what are the costs? Do that. This would be markup. Markup in terms of, in this case, it's in percentage form. And let's find these ones. Okay, cool. Markup, let's say it's gonna be, so markup in terms of percentage, let's say 50%. Markup would be 60%. Let's see, 30%. Let's see, let's say 70%. Then what else have I not created? Okay. Okay, let's copy this young all of it. Copy some. And let's just write it. It's fine. Markup set target profit. So this is going to be rands. Of course, this always to be, yeah. And you open up bracket and profit. Let's say profit chichala. Let's say profit chichala is the rands. Profit yenye 50 rands. Profit yenye 60 rands. Profit yenye 70. Let's see. We really don't know what that data is going to give us. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, cool. What else? I think it's units sold. So units sold. So This is going to be numbers, of course. So it's just going to be units sold in 19 rands. So let's say they sell 100 units. These sell 200 units. These sell 300 units. And then these sell 250 units. Okay. What else? This would be headsets. Let's say 450 units. Let's say. Then we close the curly brackets to say, give us that. Yeah, I'm sure there's something that's missing here. For example, it's this, and this is also missing. Okay, now let's continue and say numpy create synthetic data set based features and repeat to let's say 5,000 rows. 5,000 rows. Let's say 5,000 rows. Okay. So we will say now, these are the stuff that we're actually going to create. We'll say rows are going to be equal to 5,000 rows. Your 5,000 lines. Yeah. Then repeat data. Yeah. So repeat data. So this repeat data of mine is going to be saying open a curly bracket. So this is the data set that you will be repeating. BT. So I'm saying this is going to be the data set that you're going to be repeating. Copy. Let's see. Yeah. Let's make a space for each one that's going to be repeated. So we had said this is mouse paired. So we use what you call the NP tile. So it's going to be NP tile, which is our base raw data. Yeah, base raw data. And what am I creating this for? In terms of in the rows, this is going to be product. Let's close brackets. This must be saying this is the product itself. So product needs to know that this is a product. This is a product. Okay, product. But I'm supposed to declare the product first. So I think because we've declared the products up there, I don't think we're going to have to repeat them. Let me take these ones out and say, okay, now product, bring me a tile of this product in the raw file. Yeah. So bring me product, a tile in the raw file, the raw data. the number of rows, which is the lines. So lines are going to be rows, the number of lines that I want you to bring is divide them by 4. Okay, this is yeah, divided by 4. Mm, yeah. So then let's do all of this because we're trying to recreate here the numbers. It's gonna pick random numbers. Um, random numbers. Let's see. Yeah, I think the best one is this one. So we'll say NP again, time again, raw. So this is gonna be like more repetitive raw data. Give me the same fixed cost. Fixed costs in rands, and you know the rows. Of course, they are gonna be this rows for the queen. Then I think I just need to yeah. So I just need to do this copy, and then I'll change the name of the one that's actually coming. I'll change the name, copy. So this is how many? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6. So what we are creating here definitely will be fixed costs. We copy that, paste, and we just paste it here as well. The variable costs. Put it there as well. Markup in terms of percentage. Unit. Then what do we have in target? So target profit. Copy and then paste as well. Copy, paste, paste. So I don't know how long is this going to take, but let's try. Let's do 2000 lines. Okay. So the next step then is to close our curly brackets. Then after that, we are saying let's now export. So before exporting, before export, we then convert it to the data frame. Because so this is going to be df synthetic data. which would be um, of course we're gonna have to add um, pandas for data frame. Um, pandas for data frame. Hello. PD or import pandas. That is PD for our data frame, of course. So um, so this is surely yeah. So this is gonna be synthetic data PD dot data frame dot data frame repeated data. So we want the data frame of this. Copy, Control V. Okay, when I'm trying to run this, it's giving me parentheses. Closing parentheses doesn't match. Okay, this one. Okay, let's try to close this parenthesis because we did open general data. Close the parentheses. We also have to put the commas around here. We don't have to put this one because we're closing the parentheses and then what else? Okay, here need to close it. Need to close this. Need to close this. Then this looks good. Let's run invalid syntax. Okay, so let me go back and do stuff like this. This makes things a lot easier. Name them like this. Repeat data, and let's run what is invalid text. Forgot a comma. Let's see. Yeah, so I think okay, this is a comma. Yeah, comma. Yeah, right in the end. Okay, perfect. Maybe you forgot a comma. Didn't raw data. Oh yes, so now we're gonna have to change all these ones. We have to say raw data, raw data. And I'm rename all of them. So it knows exactly what to reference to. And so of course here before, only it has to be here before defining the rows. And before defining the rows. Let's see. Before defining things. Indent, indentation. Okay, it throws us an error. 2000 lines. Okay, so key product. Let's see what did we do wrong with the product. I see. It's products, not product. Um, let's see if products appear costs, markup, profit. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's running. We'll see, looking forward, a data frame. Then now let's view and say df synthetic copy. dot head, let's say dot head 10. Let's try that. Expected indentation. Let's push it to the side. Dot head. Okay, what did I do now? Dot head. Head is HED. Okay, cool. And voila, boom, that's our synthetic data that we will actually try to pull or trying to build. Um, this would be about 2,000 lines, but for the purposes of just looking, we built, created like 2,000 lines. You can create the number of lines that you desire, so you can get the amount of data that you actually need. So now it's going to be time to convert this. So we have converted to a data frame, so we're going to convert it now to Excel. So we will say save to Excel and save to Excel. We'll say Excel here to output. Um, output would be equal to a path here. To let me look for a path. Okay, let's put this path that I have put in. And we're gonna call it synthetic data dot XL. Yeah, I think this is gonna be tough. So let's take this one out. I'll just run. So save to Excel. This would be okay. So now that I've defined my output, then it's gonna be like okay, sure. So it's gonna be this synthetic. Okay, and paste. So synthetic dot tool underscore Excel. So that's going to be output. So capital O output. Output. Yeah. And then index cross fonts. Yes, Excel. That's the Excel part. And then our last step would be something like then output. So this is definitely like saving a file. Show save or saved file. Let's say saved file show. Now let's say false.